Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can resize an image in Canva. So if you need to resize your image in Canva but don't know where to start, whether you're on mobile or desktop, I've got you covered in this super simple guide. So if you want to resize on Canva web or on PC, you can just open your design like this. So open your projects and then you can upload an image. You can resize manually or you can also use the resize tool. You can click on the image and drag the corner just like this to resize the image. Or you can also just go to the file options, or here the resize is at the top left corner. You can click on it. So if you're a Canva Pro, the resize will be here and you can just choose the size that you want. For example, I'm going to go with social media. Let's say I'm going to make it Instagram post size. You can click on copy and resize and a new canvas will be open, or you can just click on resize this design. So just wait because it will resizing the pages. And here, if you want to in the entire canvas resize, you can just click on resize at the top like I do here before. And now you can just also click on this one to crop the image to make it fill the canvas. You can choose the size just like this. You can also do the expand by clicking on this one. And so that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.